Recently, music producer Rodney Jones has provided further details regarding his accusations against Sean Diddy Combs in a civil lawsuit, shedding more light on Combs' alleged actions and behaviors. In an 18-page sworn declaration submitted to the court, Jones asserts that he has personal knowledge of the facts detailed and is willing to testify under penalty of perjury. This declaration aims to bolster Jones' credibility, especially amid public scrutiny and opposition to his claims. According to Jones, during his time working and living with Combs, he witnessed and recorded hundreds of hours of video of Combs and his inner circle. Jones alleges that Combs engaged in illegal activities, including the acquisition, use, and distribution of drugs like ecstasy, cocaine, GHB, ketamine, marijuana, and mushrooms. He also claims to have witnessed Combs displaying and distributing unregistered firearms and providing laced alcoholic beverages to minors and sex workers at various locations. Jones further recounts an alleged assault he witnessed on Combs' chartered yacht, involving Combs' son Christian King Combs and a stewardess. This incident forms part of a separate civil action filed against Christian Combs on behalf of the stewardess. Additionally, Jones describes how Combs used religious sermons during workouts with Bishop T.D. Jakes to strategize about his public image amid legal issues, including Cassie Ventura's sexual assault lawsuit settled in 2023. Regarding a writer's camp at Chalice Recording Studios, Jones claims that Combs created a makeshift nightclub in the parking lot, providing laced shots of tequila to exert control over those attending. Jones's allegations tie into broader accusations of sex trafficking against Combs, aligning with a Homeland Security investigation into trafficking operations linked to Combs's properties in Los Angeles and Miami. These detailed assertions form part of Jones's ongoing legal battle against Combs, revealing the extent of his claims and the evidence he purports to possess. Music producer Rodney Jones has recently provided additional details in a civil lawsuit against Sean Diddy Combs, outlining further allegations and experiences during his time working closely with Combs. In an 18-page sworn declaration submitted to the court, Jones affirms the truthfulness of his statements and his willingness to testify under oath, aiming to solidify his credibility amidst public skepticism. Jones states that he personally witnessed and recorded extensive video footage of Combs and his inner circle, documenting various illegal activities such as drug acquisition, use, and distribution, including substances like ecstasy, cocaine, GHB, ketamine, marijuana, and mushrooms. Additionally, Jones claims to have observed Combs displaying and distributing unregistered firearms and providing laced alcoholic beverages to minors and sex workers across multiple locations. The declaration also recounts an alleged assault witnessed by Jones on Combs' chartered yacht, involving Combs' son Christian King Combs and a stewardess. This incident led to a separate civil action filed against Christian Combs on behalf of the stewardess. Furthermore, Jones describes how Combs strategically used religious sermons during workouts with Bishop T.D. Jakes to manage his public image amidst legal challenges, including the settlement of Cassie Ventura's sexual assault lawsuit in 2023. Jones further details an event at a writer's camp hosted at Chalice Recording Studios, where Combs transformed the parking lot into a makeshift nightclub, serving laced shots of tequila to exert influence over attendees. These revelations align with broader accusations of sex trafficking against Combs, coinciding with ongoing investigations by Homeland Security into trafficking activities associated with Combs' properties in Los Angeles and Miami. Jones's comprehensive account sheds light on the depth of his claims and the evidence he possesses, which forms a crucial part of his legal case against Combs. In a recent development regarding the civil lawsuit against Sean Diddy Combs, music producer Rodney Jones has provided further details in a sworn declaration submitted to the court. Jones describes witnessing Combs' frequent demands for drugs and sex workers, which he claims was a common occurrence and always met with compliance from staff members. Jones alleges that he was coerced into soliciting sex workers and performing sex acts for Combs' pleasure, unaware of hidden cameras and audio devices in Combs' residences until several months into living there. Jones recounts discovering the surveillance system when retrieving a food delivery from the security office, where he saw multiple monitors displaying live feeds from various rooms in and around Combs' homes. He also claims to possess videos of illegal activities and encounters, including incidents involving sex workers and guests, such as musician Chris Brown and Combs' son, Justin King Combs, at parties hosted by Combs. Jones details events where he was allegedly drugged and coerced into sexual situations, mentioning instances where he woke up naked and confused with sex workers present. He lists promises made by Combs, including offers of financial incentives, Grammy awards, and property ownership, to keep him engaged in what he describes as Combs' sex trafficking operation. Additionally, Jones describes encounters with Combs' violent behavior, including threats of physical harm and displays of firearms by Combs and his associates. He refutes claims made by Universal Music Group, UMG, regarding their involvement in sponsoring events, asserting that UMG employees were indeed present at gatherings hosted by Combs. Jones's detailed account provides critical evidence in his lawsuit against Combs, alleging sex trafficking and other illegal activities, which aligns with ongoing investigations by Homeland Security into trafficking operations associated with Combs' properties. These allegations add complexity to the legal proceedings and underscore the seriousness of the accusations against Combs. Jones's detailed account provides critical evidence in his lawsuit against Combs, alleging sex trafficking and other illegal activities, which aligns with ongoing investigations by Homeland Security into trafficking operations associated with Combs' properties. These allegations add complexity to the legal proceedings and underscore the seriousness of the accusations against Combs. In his declaration, Jones paints a troubling picture of Combs' lifestyle and behavior, detailing instances of coercion, drug use, and exploitation within Combs' inner circle. The presence of surveillance equipment and Jones's claims of possessing incriminating videos could significantly impact the outcome of the lawsuit, providing tangible evidence to support his allegations. Moreover, Jones's rebuttal of Universal Music Group's denial of involvement in sponsoring events further challenges the defense's assertions, highlighting discrepancies between official statements and the reality Jones claims to have witnessed firsthand. This contradiction underscores the contentious nature of the legal battle and the stakes involved for all parties. As the lawsuit progresses, Jones's sworn testimony and evidence are likely to play a pivotal role in determining the validity of his claims against Combs. The severity of the accusations, coupled with ongoing investigations by law enforcement agencies, underscores the gravity of the situation and the potential ramifications for those implicated. Overall, Jones's detailed declaration sheds light on the alleged misconduct and criminal activities surrounding Combs, presenting a compelling case that demands thorough investigation and legal scrutiny. The outcome of this lawsuit will have far-reaching implications for both the individuals involved and the broader music industry, highlighting the importance of accountability and justice in addressing serious allegations of this nature. The detailed account provided by Jones in his declaration includes serious allegations against Combs, revealing a pattern of coercion, exploitation, and criminal behavior within Combs' inner circle. Jones claims to possess videos and photos as evidence of sex workers being present at recording sessions and in Combs' homes, with allegations that these individuals were paid by Combs or his associates. This evidence, if substantiated, could significantly impact the ongoing legal proceedings and bolster Jones' claims of sex trafficking and other illegal activities. Moreover, Jones' declaration includes disturbing stories allegedly told by Combs himself, boasting about past criminal acts and exerting control over others through fear and intimidation. The allegations also extend to other notable individuals, such as Daphne Joy and Jennifer Lopez, suggesting a pervasive culture of exploitation and manipulation within Combs' social and professional circles. The seriousness of these claims is further emphasized by ongoing investigations by Homeland Security into trafficking operations linked to Combs' properties, aligning with Jones' accusations. The legal battle between Jones and Combs is complex, with Jones' attorney, Tyrone Blackburn, pushing back against criticism and defending the integrity of the lawsuit and its filings. The conflict has escalated with accusations from defendants, including Universal Music Group, that Jones's claims are false and intended to garner media attention. Blackburn refutes these allegations, asserting that the evidence presented in the lawsuit is based on factual grounds and that he prioritizes private resolution before resorting to legal action. Ultimately, the outcome of this lawsuit will have far-reaching implications for all parties involved, potentially shedding light on illicit activities within the music industry and the responsibilities of individuals and corporations implicated in such cases. the gravity of the accusations demands a thorough investigation and legal scrutiny to ensure accountability and justice.